Hi, this is sixth grade spelling, and we're looking at list 26. This should be lesson 130 for the very first day of lessons of the online classes. Just remember that you can always contact me if you have questions or concerns about anything. We're going to look at this. This list is a look back, so you guys know that that's a review of this last several lists. So you're going to see some of the same words that you are familiar with and hopefully didn't have too much trouble with spelling. The vocabulary section, if you will, you can go ahead and pause the video to fill that out because I will be going over the answers to that, and I'll give you just a second. All right, so the vocabulary section, convenient is the first one. And what is the definition to convenient? Yes, it is B. Easy to use, near at hand is convenient. Okay, periphery is 22. And that one would be the outside edge, which would be E. Okay, and then hypothesis, does anyone remember what that one means? It would be D, a scientific assumption. Okay, hypocrisy. All right, we've got the same prefix to that one, hypocrisy. It's A, pretending to be what one is not. And then intervene, last one for this section is C, to come between. Okay, and then we've got hypochondriac, and that is a C, a person who worries unnecessarily about his health. All right, revenue, anyone remember that one? Revenue is E, income. And that one was a tricky one when we went over it before. So revenue equals income. It's the money you make for a job. Antecedent. What is that one? Yes, it would be A, happening before. The word to which a pronoun refers is the antecedent. So it's got the two different parts to it because if it's used as an adjective, it's happening before. If it's used as a noun, it's the word to which a pronoun refers, and that's part of our language. 29 is alternative. What does that one? It would be D, a choice between two possibilities. And then persistent is B, refusing to give up. All right, and that last section, antiseptic, what would be the answer to that? Yes, it's A, a substance which prevents infection is an antiseptic. Unavoidable. What are your guesses on that? So it would be C, not able to be prevented is unavoidable. And 33, antibodies. Those are the substances produced by the body to prevent disease. And you can keep antiseptic and antibodies straight by remembering that antibodies has the word body in the definition. Substances produced by the body to prevent disease. And then 34 is eulogy, and that is E, speech or writing in praise of a person or thing. And 35 is omnipotent, which is all powerful, D. Okay, so hope you got those, or you now have them recorded for you. All right, we're going to go ahead and say the list. And remember that we're also going to be looking at roots and prefixes so that you can know those for the test. All right, starting with number 1, eventually. E-V-E-N-T-U-A-L-L-Y, eventually. Establishment. E-S-T-A-B-I-L-I-S-H-M-E-N-T, establishment. Temperament. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-M-E-N-T. Remember the A in temperament. Encouragement. E-N-C-O-U-R-A-G-E-M-E-N-T, encouragement. Embarrassment. E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S-M-E-N-T, embarrassment. Government. G-O-V-E-R-N-M-E-N-T, government. Prevention. P-R-E-V-E-N-T-I-O-N, prevention. Apologize. apologize, apologize. Systematize, systematize, systematize. Familiarize, familiarize, familiarize. Neutralize, neutralize, neutralize. Notice, apologize, systematize, familiarize, and neutralize. Remember, they all end in IZE, okay? So it's not ISE, but IZE. Now back to 12, diligent, D-I-L-I-G-E-N-T, diligent. Antediluvian, A-N-T-E-D-I-L-U-V-I-A-N, antediluvian, okay? Remember when we had that, the anti is A-N-T-E. 14, emphasize, E-M-P-H-A-S-I-Z-E, emphasize. That's another I-Z-E word. Psychology, P-S-Y-C-H-O-L-O-G-Y, psychology. Don't forget the H after the C for psychology. Ophthalmology, O-P-H-T-H-A-L-M-O-L-O-G-Y, ophthalmology. That one was a tricky one as well. Omniscient, O-M-N-I-S-C-I-E-N-T, omniscient. Unbelievable, U-N-B-E-L-I-E-V-A-B-L-E, unbelievable. Unchaperoned, U-N-C-H-A-P-E-R-O-N-E-D, unchaperoned. Inquirer, I-N-Q-U-I-R-E-R, inquirer. Remember, that's the word inquire with an extra R at the end. All right, and then the vocabulary. Convenient, C-O-N-V-E-N-I-E-N-T, easy to use, near at hand, convenient. Periphery, P-E-R-I-P-H-E-R-Y, the outside edge, periphery. Hypothesis, H-Y-P-O-T-H-E-S-I-S, a scientific assumption, hypothesis. Hypocrisy, H-Y-P-O-C-R-I-S-Y, pretending to be what one is not, hypocrisy. Intervene, I-N-T-E-R-V-E-N-E, to come between, intervene. Hypochondriac, H-Y-P-O-C-H-O-N-D-R-I-A-C, a person who worries unnecessarily about his health, hypochondriac. Remember that the ending is just a C, it's not hypochondriac, it's hypochondriac. Revenue, R-E-V-E-N-U-E, income, revenue. Antecedent, A-N-T-E-C-E-D-E-N-T, happening before the word to which a pronoun refers, antecedent. Alternative, A-L-T-E-R-N-A-T-I-V-E, the choice between two possibilities, alternative. Persistent, P-E-R-S-I-S-T-E-N-T, refusing to give up, persistent. Antiseptic, A-N-T-I-S-E-P-T-I-C, a substance which prevents infection, antiseptic. Unavoidable, U-N-A-V-O-I-D-A-B-L-E, not able to be prevented, unavoidable. Antibodies, A-N-T-I-B-O-D-I-E-S, substances produced by the body to prevent disease, antibodies. Eulogy, E-U-L-O-G-Y, speech or writing in praise of a person or thing, eulogy, remember that's E-U at the beginning of that word. Omnipotent, O-M-N-I-P-O-T-E-N-T, all-powerful, omnipotent, remember it's the omni, O-M-N-I beginning to that word. And just go over those roots and prefixes really fast. We have then or vent, and that's to come. Alley or alter is other. Omni means all. L-O-G or L-O-G-Y means speech, word, reasoning, study. Peri, around. Ante is before. Sur, S-U-R, over, beyond, above. Hypo, under, below. Un means not. And ant or anti is against or opposite. Okay, so make sure that you study those as well, and that you check back tomorrow. We'll be going over these again, and then you're going to work on, today you're going to go ahead and work on one of your exercises on the next page. So you may choose either test your proofreading or roots and prefixes to work on, and then you may finish up with that. And don't forget to say, spell, say your list 2 times to yourself.